All right, folks, let's break down this whole cryptocurrency thing. You've probably heard the word crypto thrown around a lot, but what does it actually mean? Well, let's start simple. Imagine digital money, right? But instead of your bank keeping track, it's all on a giant, secure online ledger called a blockchain. This ledger isn't owned by any one person or company. It's shared and updated by thousands of computers all over the world. Think of it like a public record of every transaction, but it's encrypted and spread across computers worldwide. That means no single person can just go in and change the numbers. It's designed to be tamper-proof and super secure. That's cryptocurrency in a nutshell: secure, transparent, and decentralized. Instead of relying on a central authority like a bank or government, the system runs on code and consensus. Now you might be wondering, why bother with this newfangled money? Well, for starters, it cuts out the middleman. No more banks. You don't have to wait for business hours or pay extra fees just to send money. You have complete control over your digital assets. Your money is stored in a digital wallet, and only you hold the keys to access it. No one can freeze your account or block your transactions. Plus, transactions can be faster and cheaper, especially for international transfers. Sending money across borders can take minutes instead of days, and you might pay a fraction of the usual fees. But, like anything new and shiny, there are risks. Prices can swing wildly, and if you lose your wallet password, your money could be gone for good. We'll get into those later so you know what to watch out for. But first, let's dive into how people actually use this stuff in real life, from buying coffee to investing for the future. Ready? Let's go. So, you've got your digital wallet loaded with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Maybe you've just made your first purchase, or perhaps you're just curious about what you can actually do with it. The possibilities might surprise you. What now? Well, a lot actually. People use crypto for everyday purchases, investments, and even sending money across borders. It's not just for tech enthusiasts anymore. Regular folks are using crypto to pay for coffee, groceries, and even booking flights. Think online shopping, but with Bitcoin. More and more retailers are accepting crypto as payment, making it easier than ever to spend your digital coins on real-world goods and services. Or imagine investing in a startup, not through Wall Street, but by buying their digital tokens. This gives you a stake in new projects and ideas, often before they hit the mainstream. Here's where it gets interesting. Crypto allows for microtransactions. We're talking fractions of a cent, which means you can tip your favorite creator or pay for tiny services without high fees. This opens up a whole new world for content creators, artists, and online businesses. They can reach a global audience and get paid instantly, without waiting for banks or dealing with currency conversions. But remember, the value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate like crazy. Prices can soar or crash in a matter of hours. It's a roller coaster ride, folks, and not for the faint of heart. So buckle up, and let's see how this tech is changing lives globally. From remittances to new business models, cryptocurrency is reshaping the way people interact with money all over the world. Let's talk about remittances. You know, sending money back home to family in another country. Traditional methods can be slow, expensive, and a bureaucratic nightmare. Crypto offers a lifeline, especially in countries with unstable economies or limited access to financial services. Take Venezuela, for example. Hyperinflation has crippled their currency. People are turning to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to protect their savings and access basic necessities. But it's not just about survival. In countries like Kenya, mobile money platforms powered by blockchain technology are revolutionizing access to financial services for millions, empowering them to participate in the global economy. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the crypto revolution is creating a whole new job market. We're talking developers, blockchain engineers, cryptocurrency analysts, and even crypto lawyers. But it's not just tech jobs. Marketing, design, writing, and community management are all in high demand within the crypto space. And then there's the entrepreneurial spirit ignited by crypto. We're seeing a surge in startups developing innovative solutions in finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and beyond, all powered by blockchain technology. Okay, folks, time for a reality check. Before you dive headfirst into the world of cryptocurrency, it's important to understand what you're really getting into. Cryptocurrency is still the Wild West. The rules are being written as we speak, and the landscape is constantly shifting. It's volatile, unregulated and prone to scams. Prices can skyrocket or crash in a matter of hours, and there's little protection if things go wrong. Don't believe everything you see on Twitter or social media. Security is absolutely paramount in this space, and misinformation spreads fast. Protect your digital wallets like you would your life savings, because hackers and scammers are always on the lookout for easy targets. If you lose access to your crypto, or if it gets stolen, there's usually no way to get it back. Once that crypto is gone, it's gone for good. And let's not forget the environmental impact. Mining cryptocurrencies isn't just a digital process. It has real-world consequences. Mining certain cryptocurrencies requires massive amounts of energy, sometimes more than entire countries use in a year. The industry is working on more sustainable solutions like greener mining technologies and renewable energy sources, but it's a critical issue to address if crypto is going to have a positive future. Look, the future of money is changing right before our eyes. We're witnessing a revolution in how value moves around the world. It's exciting, it's risky, and it's here to stay. But with great opportunity comes great responsibility. So stay informed, stay curious, and always do your own research. Let's see what the future holds together.